All right, traders, let's get to it. Everybody, welcome. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. I'm a market analyst at Olymp Trade. I have over 10 years of market experience. I have managed portfolios up to $50,000 for investors. Also, I manage my own trading account of $50,000. And today we are going to continue our live trading session. Now, yesterday we had a position open for the pound franc, and we opened it right at around this level right here. This kind of reversal candlestick pattern was the candle that I took yesterday. Unfortunately, it went right away against me, and I actually, after the webinar, re-entered the trade and then kind of got shooken out at nighttime right around over here in the morning. I was actually up and awake, and in total I lost about $300, which was the trade amount. And so right now we have this kind of this is an obvious, what I want to direct your attention to, guys, right here in the so fixed time trades. Let's go to Great Britain pound and just have a look. Clicking on the Forex Great Britain pound, clicking on the Forex tab, you can see the changes, and because the British pound is in the beginning, any kind of change would indicate into Great Britain pound strength, pound sterling strength. And so this is what we're having today. We have pound sterling strength, and if we type in Swiss franc, we can see that the Swiss franc is actually losing against the pound, against the New Zealand dollar, against the US dollar. It's also losing against the yen, and it's gaining against the likes of the euro and against the likes of the Australian dollar. So in general, I believe that the Swiss franc is actually going to lose and buckle against the weight of the British pound, and we can see that from, again, the market move that we have here. So we are trading above the zero level right here on the CCI indicator, and trading on the 15-minute graph, I would like to open a position, say, for about 3 hours. Maybe even less, of having a look at this. I just want to, in case we are trading, so the idea is that we're trading into a momentum, kind of momentum like this, and there's a classical chart pattern called the three soldiers, the three green soldiers or three red soldiers. So right now we're having the three green soldiers. I don't want to be missing too much of the trade, so again, we're going to put on a $300 amount, and we're going to have the trade to be around, I want to say, an hour and 15 minutes. I want the trade to play out, but it does appear that maybe we have missed some of the move, but I do see that this more of as a continuation, and I wanted to show you guys a similar situation. If looking at the daily graph, you can see we're coming off of the bottom right here. We had the twin fall, we're coming off the bottom. So these 2 days right here, this is a double bottom, a very strong reversal pattern. That was another reason why we took the trade. But again, this kind of doji candle in the middle really messed up our trades yesterday. So we're going to go get back on the horse. The biggest lesson that we have kept from our trades yesterday is that if you're in a bad FTT trade, close the position right away so that you can save half of the money. That is your stop loss. You don't have to lose the entire amount. By the time I'm talking to you, a lot of the trade has already went through, and it really messes up my trade idea here. If I were to open this trade, say, on a Forex platform, I would keep it open for several days, because definitely there is that that desire for the trade to move higher. Besides the pound euro or euro pound is another one that I really like. I looked at the momentum. This is a sell that I want to take, but the main thing here is not for 40%. So because the Swiss franc and the euro are very tightly correlated, I want to be taking this trade to the top. And again, this is a very poor level, but I do believe that it's going to go higher, so we're going to keep it at 1 hour and 5 minutes, and we're going to open it up in the up direction. 1 hour and 5 minutes. So somewhere around here, we are looking for the British pound to take off. Now, one of the reasons that we are opening up this trade is we see the British pound is one of the top currencies today, trading today, and the Swiss franc is one of the worst currencies that's trading today. Another reason is the economic calendar. If we look at it, we have coming up I believe Wednesday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Wednesday, so yesterday and today, were some important statistics coming out of Great Britain. So right here we have the composite PMI, the Purchasing Managers Index, and the services PMI. Now services has a little bit more weight to it because it is the British economy is a service-based economy, and so that reading, that the fact that it's above 50, it's above forecast, is a really good reading. So what we're looking for again tomorrow is for the construction PMI. Construction plays a really large role in the economy of Great Britain. Now, if you guys have, by the way, hello to everybody joining in. We have Anil Kumar, Siza Zubri, GWKE, Kadim Shaki, Amsa Nuhu. You guys, welcome. If you guys have any trade ideas of your own, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I'll go through them, and by tomorrow's webinar, we're actually going to have the webinar a lot earlier, guys. This move, this kind of market move happens at around noon, right? We have right here we had one. I wanted to show you guys where a significant change happened. So you guys see that trading somewhere around lunchtime in the UK session is quite subdued. So before lunch and after lunch, we have really sharp market moves, and that's kind of what we're looking for, looking to achieve. By the way, is anybody else experiencing a difficult time right now trading? I know myself, I'm going through a rough patch, and really looking forward to seeing this trade play through, because I'd like to make back the money that we missed yesterday, or that I lost yesterday. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming. Again, leave your comments in the comment section about any bad trades that you're happening, like a series of bad trades, or any kind of trade ideas that you may want to consider, that all of us consider together. All right, my name has been Yaroslav Burchenko. Thank you all so much for coming, and see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be doing this a little bit earlier, so make sure that you guys are at your platform, at the YouTube channel, and that you have the bell icon ring so that you can get the notification as soon as we go live. All right, thank you guys, and I wish you guys good luck trading out there.